It is going to be an interesting Sunday, 27th of April 2025 in IPL. The Super Sunday, the reason why it's going to be interesting is because of two reasons. Reason number one is it is going to be a revenge match, set of matches. Mumbai Indian versus LSG. Last time around LSG won. So can Mumbai Indian win this time? There is a question. And the second one is RCB versus Delhi. So Delhi won last time, and can RCB give it back this time? So that is a big question. So that is one from the cricketing perspective. But from the astrological perspective, my interest is that, you know what, the Sunday is going to be interesting because it's an Amavasya day. And normally during Amavasya days, what happens is something goes wrong. Something really terrible happens. And when something terrible happens means what? There could be a batting collapse, there could be a bowling collapse, there could be, bowlers being hit. But very, very importantly, it is batting collapse, which I've seen normally. And that too from, a team can be in a winning position and suddenly something goes wrong and there would be a collapse. So that is something which I want to see. Okay, and because both the matches are going to be done during Amavasya, I'm more keen in seeing that. Okay, so it's going to be interesting. Let's see what's going to happen. So let's talk about the possibility of what can happen in these matches. Let me give you my 2 cents. So first match I'm going to analyze is RCB versus Delhi Capitals. If I'm going to give what has happened in the last match, it was won by Delhi Capitals, and Delhi Capitals, the man of the match was KL Rahul, my favorite man. KL Rahul won in 1992. Everybody was trashing him down. Everyone saying that, Rahul Dravid is, Rahul, KL. In fact, Rahul Dravid and KL Rahul have got so many things in common, isn't it? Okay, whenever you trash them down, they always used to come back. And they are ready to do anything for their team. They are team men, which is amazing, both the Rahul. Okay, now talking about, Rahul is come back in a good way. And also, the team's captain, Akshar Patel, born in 1994. Okay, he's got a phenomenal horoscope. We're looking at someone like a Vipraj Nigam, or it can be a Kuldeep Yadav. They've all done phenomenally well for the franchising. So this was the major contribution by these players in the last time. But they are against RCB's captain, and that is Rajat Patidar. Rajat Patidar, mind you, was born in 1993, just a few weeks away from the World Cup winning captain, that is Pat Cummins. So he's got that phenomenal chart. Neptune is very powerful. Neptune is in 25 degrees, Pluto is in 0 degrees, Chiron is in its own house. So it is phenomenal chart he's got. And see, these two are equals. 94 born Akshar Patel and 93 born Rajat Patidar, they're equals. So when it comes to equal people, if one of the person has won one time, then mostly the other person wins the other time. So what it means is that Akshar Patel won it the last time. So there is a very high chance that this time around, who will win? It would be Rajat Patidar. And so I'm expecting, the RCB has been looking very tight and very good, in the recent times. We're looking at Virat Kohli playing the role that he is supposed to play. Salt has been on and off, but then David and Jitesh and there is a new addition, Romario Shepherd. He's got a phenomenal chart. He can also come into party. So it's going to be, I feel it's going to be a very compact performance by RCB, and I'm expecting some collapse to happen. And probably Delhi Capitals may be the team which can maybe undergo the collapse. Okay, so that is about the first match. And if I'm going to talk about the other match, that is Mumbai Indians versus LSG. Last time around, won by LSG, and Lucknow Super Giants. They, if I remember correctly, they notched up some 200 odd runs, and Mumbai Indians lost by some 10-12 runs. So the question is, and last time around, I think the font for LSG was Digvesh Rathi, and he was reprimanded for that kind of a celebration that he was doing. Anyway, so that it was a very good team effort. They also had Markram playing very well. They had Marsh playing very well. They also had Ayush Badoni, young boy, doing very well. So it was a very good effort. And as usual, of course, Rishabh Pant was not contributing. That is their one pain point, which is continuing to be so. So what will happen in the revenge match? Now, mind you, the last time around, the match was won by LSG, whose captain Rishabh Pant has got a horoscope which is slightly inferior to Mumbai Indians captain, which is Hardik Pandya. So Hardik Pandya has got a more powerful horoscope compared to Lucknow Super Giants captain Rishabh Pant. So Rishabh Pant won the last time. So which means it goes without saying that this time around it has to be won by the man with a stronger horoscope, and that is the Mumbai Indians captain Hardik Pandya. And of course last time around Rohit Sharma didn't fire, or there were so many other, even I think Bumrah was not there. So it's like Mumbai Indians is looking like a more compact team now. They're looking more powerful. They have everything going for them at this point of time. And I feel all the usual suspects should, come into fray and do something very interesting. So I feel that, something like Will Jacks will definitely do well. I'm looking at Namandir. Santner should do well. Bolt, of course, throws those thunderbolts. So I feel that, this time around, the match would be definitely more in favor of Mumbai Indians. And looking at the fact that it is an Amavasya day. See, Amavasya, most of the time, it triggers a batting collapse. Otherwise, something can go wrong. Something can go wrong in the pitch. Somebody can get hurt. Something or the other can happen, which can be very, painful. Okay, that is the thing. Or it is normally speaking see, if it is a football, then it can be somebody can be hurt or something. But if you're looking at something like a cricket where the possibilities of someone being hurt can be very low, then I would say that then it can be only a batting collapse. Because bowling, there cannot be collapse. Bowling, you will be thrashed, right? But the batting can really collapse, and especially from people whom you feel that, these guys will do well, but then they probably, end up doing certain things which may not be very, very good for the team. So, yes, I am very, very excited to watch this match on Sunday. And unfortunately or fortunately, both the matches will be conducted during the time when Amavasya will be strong. And I would only say that both the team captains, if at all the captains are listening to me, then I would say that you should definitely bat second. Okay? Because what happens is, if you're batting first and if there is a batting collapse, then what happens is, then the team which bats second will be in a very easy position to somehow win over you. Okay? But if you're going to be batting first and if you collapse, then it becomes extremely difficult to come back into the game. So, yeah, it is a choice that you have to take. But then I think it's going to be some interesting batting collapse. My idea is to watch as to which teams and how the batting collapses are going to happen is something that I'm very, very interested to see. So thank you so much, people, for watching me. I'm Greenstone Lobo, and you're watching me on Asianet News. And I'll be coming up with more such interesting content on sports, and especially on this IPL till the end of the IPL season. So see you soon in yet another analysis of matches astrologically in another video. See you soon.